Guys, welcome back. Just wanted to make a really quick tip video. If I'll see if I can put a picture of it before, but as I've been working on these tables, I pointed out that this was really white. And I think it was just a giant water stain that was all through here. So I've been working on that, and this is how I've been doing it. I have some high percentage alcohol that you can buy from, I bought this from Walmart, it's years old. You could also use, like from the hardware store, a denatured alcohol. And I have some of the, what is it, quad zero, triple zero, whatever it is, steel wool. And I would just wet my steel wool with alcohol, and then I would give it a rub with the grain and down this way, right? Because that's with the grain. And it's really coming out well. You can still see a little bit here in these the raised seam on this side, and the way this, you know, it's the different terrain, I'll call it. There's still a little bit right here, a little bit down the leg that I need to work on, but it is coming out. So I'm gonna go get me some more steel wool and get to work on this. But yeah, such an easy, quick fix. Just kind of buffs out that water stain, I'll call it. Now when I'm finished, I'll probably put, you know, what do they call it, lemon oil, something on it just to protect it a little bit. It doesn't really feel that much different right now. So I'm not sure if it's just buffing off the top layer or what that's doing, but it is really making this table look good again. Here's a little piece of that steel wool, guys. It's kind of untouched. It's got a little bit of sawdust in it, but I'm gonna wet this with alcohol and then get to work down this section and show you what that looks like. And I just go along with the grain like that. And it could take a few minutes, and it does take a little bit of the finish off. You'll see it on your hands as you work. I see it on my fingers, let me put it that way. But yeah, look at that grain, really looks good. So I think this probably is my best method, the best method I have for this. And like I said, I'll follow up with some lemon oil or something, but that's how you do it. It may not get out everything, but man, it makes it look so much better. This is what I mean by lemon oil. I'll just put that on. I think I got about all of it off that I can get off. It's a little bit more light out right now. So that is improved so much from what it was before. Even down the inside of the leg looks much better from before. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the lemon oil on, and then we'll take one more look. And I think that's all it's gonna be for this one. Okay guys, this is how I do it. I just put a little bit of that on a cloth and then just wipe it on. All right guys, here we are post lemon oil, Old English, whatever you wanna call it. This will kind of stay tacky like that, so I'll probably keep buffing it with a cloth, but this is when it goes on wet. But it does, it really makes this wood look good. I can still see a little bit up above where I couldn't quite get my steel wool in there, so I may work on that another day, not today. I think we're good. I'm calling this good, it's so much better. Let me know what you guys do. Like, I found that you can remove a lot of imperfections with just some steel wool and a little bit of, I'll call it high content alcohol. What do you guys do? This usually works out for me. If you have a shellac finish, steel wool and alcohol will kind of smooth it out more too. I've done that before on some really old finishes, but let me know what you do. Leave a comment, let's have a discussion, and we'll talk to you guys soon.